Good morning there, friends. Let's discuss a bit of a morning mover, pre-market mover. It's QuantaSing Group Limited, QSG. Right now we're seeing basically an 11.5% increase in pre-market with some decent volume flowing through as well, sitting at right about $2.32 as of 8:07 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that's up 24 cents, which is significant, of course, when you consider that yesterday was a pretty red day with people anticipating the unaudited financial results for the first quarter that came out this morning. So I went over it, and I wanted to discuss a few important things that I pulled from that report. First things first, the revenue growth that they have. Revenues for the quarter one fiscal year 2024 reached about 119.1 million US dollars, increasing by about 4.9% from quarter four 2023, and a substantial 31.8% increase from quarter one of 2023. So definitely moving in the right direction as far as revenue is concerned. Gross billings for the individual online learning services in quarter one fiscal year 2024 came to about $104.5 million, marking a 1.8% increase from the fourth quarter and 14.6% increase from the quarter one 2023. They also had a net income improvement from basically of $9.1 million, a positive shift from the net loss that they experienced in quarter one of 2023. Okay, taking a look at adjusted net income, we're looking at about 12.9 million US dollars. They also experienced user-based growth. Total registered users surged by about 51.9%, reaching approximately 103.3 million subscribers as of September 30th, 2023. And that's significant when compared to 68.1 million a year earlier. They also have paying learners that has increased by 18.2% year over year, reaching approximately 300,000 people in quarter one of 2024. Mr. Peng Li emphasized the company's focus on adult learning services, growth in personal interest courses, and positive impact of offline events on revenue and adjusted net income. Financial efficiency, the company highlighted the optimization of operating efficiency by integrating AI into its feedback monitoring system, and they also announced a bit of a share repurchase program plan. QuantaSing's board approved a share repurchase program of up to $20 million in US dollars, that is, with approximately 1.2 million in ADS repurchases for approximately 6.9 million by September 30th, 2023. They also have an acquisition of Kelly's Education. They acquired Kelly's Education online language education platform in Hong Kong, marking its entry into the global online education market and language learning sector. As for the financial outlook for quarter two of 2024, they expect revenues to represent a year-over-year increase of 17% to 20.8%. Cost of revenues increased by 57.5% in quarter one, primarily due to the higher labor outsourcing and procurement costs that they experienced throughout the quarter. Sales and marketing expenses rose by about 6.7% in quarter one, and it's attributed to, again, the labor outsourcing and marketing expenses. And research and development expenses have decreased actually by 16.3% in quarter one, mainly due to decrease in share-based compensation expenses. And their balance sheet as of September 30th, 2023, the company had cash and cash equivalents and short-term investments of about $120.6 million, compared to a little bit slightly higher number as of June 30th, 2023. So, of course, we will certainly see a bit of a difference coming into the new year. We'll see how much this stock reacts to this information. Again, we're sitting right about 11.5% up on pre-market. Well, actually, we are up about 14% now as I speak. So we're sitting right around 8:17 a.m. We're up about 13.5%. So it should be an interesting day with QSG. I'm going to keep my eyes on it. Obviously, they had some pretty impressive results that came out. And with a red day yesterday, it'll be interesting to see how green, or if it stays green for the rest of the day. Anyways, don't trust me. I'm not a professional. do what you have to do. It's at your own risk, everybody. And let's make some money today. What do you say?